Show you how to create a stack using Java. So first you create an object called stack, which will be our object. Then you put the instance members in, so private final size, which will be the size of our stack. Final int size equals 50. Then private string, which will be our stack itself, which we'll call stack equals new string, which will have the size that we just defined, size. And then we'll need the stack pointer, so private int sp equals -1. You'll see why in a minute. So then now we create our instance methods, so push, pop, and peek. So push first, so public void string item, so we receive the item we want from the user. I forgot to name it, push, and then we'll put the content in it. So we need to increment the stack pointer because it's -1, so we want it to be to 0, and then it will just follow on later on. So sp equals sp +1, and then we'll put stack with the sp in it, like index sp, to equal item. Alright, that's it. We create our push method. Now public void pop. So that will be our pop method, but I'll change it to a string because we will return what we've just popped. So sp equals, so we'll create a temporary variable, string, which will contain the item which is that, so string, so final string item equals stack with the stack pointer as an index. Then we will empty the slot, so stack sp equals empty, and then we will decrement the stack pointer equals sp -1. Alright, that's it. We've just popped it, and now we just go return the following item has been popped. Yep. And then with the item as well. That's it. Just forget the plus sign. Up. And now the peek method, which was the last one we really need. So public void peek. No, public string. Sorry. And then we just return stack sp. Bam. So that's it. We got 3 main methods. Now we'll just add some little details, so like get size. So public int get size. Yep, and then we just return size. Return size. Bam. And now if the stack is full or empty, we will just edit that. So public int, I think, no, public boolean is full, so you'll see why in a minute. If so sp equals the size, so if it's full completely, like if the stack pointer has reached the final slot and it's full, we will create, so the state to true. I forgot to define state, so boolean state equals false, meaning it's not full yet, and then you just return state. That's it. Then is empty, because we go to both ways. Public boolean is empty. So boolean state again equals false. Then if the stack pointer is equal to -1, therefore it's like the last slot, like it's not the last slot, it's not even in it. State will equals to true, so state equals true. Little mistake here, and then we just have to return the state. Return state. That's it. So then we just go implement it in our methods. So we can't push something if the stack is full, so we'll just return an error in this case. So if is full, we just return, we just throw a new exception, throw new null pointer exception, sorry, but the stack is full. So that's it, that's if it's full, and then here if it's empty, if is empty, then throw new null pointer exception, sorry, but the stack is empty. Bam. And then we can't peek if there is nothing, so we'll just do the same here. So if is empty, then throw new null pointer exception, sorry, but you can't peek if the stack is empty. So that's it. Now we will go back into our run method, which is basically where we run it. So do a try and catch. So try and then catch here, catch exception, exception E, and then just return an error message. Oops, it crashed. Error message, and then plus e dot get message. Oh, that's it. And now here we can just define our stack. So let's do it. So stack equals new stack. We'll just pop push two things in, and then just pop 3. So then we get an error. So stack dot push. We'll just put my name in, Arthur, and then stack dot push. Whoops. Push hello. I'll just print it out. We can't actually print it out. Sorry. So system.out.println stack.pop. Boom. Do that 3 times, and then it should print an error message. So let's try it out. So run file. Let's see. It doesn't want to run. Yeah, it does. The following item has been popped. A hello, Arthur, and then an error message. So it will work whatsoever. Let's just peek now, just once. So stack dot push world, and then stack dot push CS. That's it. And then we'll just peek. Stack dot peek. Whoops, we have to print it before. Boom, and then system.out.println. And now let's try again. See, the following item has been popped, which was the first one to be entered. World, hello, and Arthur. So that's it. That's how you create a stack and use it in Java. So that's it. Thank you very much.